All right, this morning we're working on this LS3 motor. Crack runs from here over to here. You can see it better on this side. And there you go. The starter bolts up to this, and bell housing on this side. So we got to make sure that this gets pulled back in and everything's nice and square. We've got just a little bit of material right here left holding it together. We'll see what happens. I'll bring you back here a little bit, and after I get it ground out a little bit. Alright, got a straight edge clamped, holding this piece upright in parallel to the bell housing surface. I've got a tack on this side, and then I've got a tack on this side. I ground it out because I didn't get enough penetration. It didn't flow in, so I ground it out. I'm going to put a little bit more heat into it, and that ought to fix it. How to get full pin from about here out. I should have full pin weld. This is the only area that I'm kind of concerned about, but I wanted to get this welded up and secured, so when I start messing with this over here, it doesn't fall off and I lose everything. So there we go. Got that pretty well ground out. You can see here that crack runs up into that surface, that little black line. So I've got to get into that. And then this is going to have to get milled. So there we go. I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alright, well, I think I got her. I'm not sure if there's a gasket that goes right here or if it notches out and goes up here. But that's a little proud right there, that surface. And then, but all of this is welded 100%. I ground that all out from this side. And if he can get his starter in here with that bolt and that weld not affected, I'd rather leave a little extra right there. And then for the underneath side, lay it down here. Looks pretty good. Alright, I think we're done. Got the important part. He's gonna have to file this out just a little bit with a Dremel. Not sure how big that flare is on the, I think that's a crank positioner sensor, something sensor. But yeah, we'll stand her up. Got this flat, got this 100% welded all the way through here. I actually had to go back. That crack did run through here. I ground this out back to about here and welded it all from this side. So yeah, there we go. And he can, if the starter can bolt up to here with leaving that radius right there, I would say that's better. But if he needs to, he can grind that out. And then the gasket here, this surface right here, looks like the gasket comes up and around and up to here and then across. So I didn't take this down. I figured, oh, we'll leave a little extra here, a weld reinforcement, but took some of it off. So yeah, I think it's done. It needs to get hot tanked, and get all this grinding grit out of all the oil passages and whatnot. But yeah, there's your LS3 motor. You guys have a good day.